Hey guys, it's Daniel here. So today I'm going to show you guys a brand new smartphone, that is the Xiaomi Mi A2. Okay, so here is the box of the Xiaomi Mi A2. And this is what the return on the side, Mi A2 Android 1, same goes to the other side. Then at the back is the, the spec. Let's unbox it. So I got myself a 128GB version, which is the 6GB RAM. This is my first Android 1 smartphone, more like stock Android smartphone, yeah. So let's open this wrap, and let's make sure we do this right. I got one chance for this, so yeah, let's open it. It's good, man. This is good. I'll put this knife aside and let's check. Okay, so this is the box. Now open it. Oh my god, look how big is that compared to my OnePlus 3. I mean, it's the same size, but the screen, man, so nice. Okay, so what do we have here? If I'm not mistaken, it's a case. I think, check the box. Now, what is this? I think the instruction, user guide. I think it's not important. Okay, so as you know, the Xiaomi Mi A2 doesn't have a headphone jack. So they give you a free headphone jack to USB Type-C adapter and a SIM adapter. And this is the case that they give you with. It's a black color. Oh, I like it. Black color silicone case. I can't believe how cheap this phone is. Like 64GB storage, which is the 4GB RAM version. It's only 999 ringgit, and you already get the case. I can't believe it. They give you a case too. So this is the phone. Oh, wow! It feels not that heavy in my opinion. I like how it feels like. So this is the power button. Oh, very clicky, and you get the volume button on the right side. So apparently the left side have no button, but the camera is pretty large. I guess that's how iPhone X's camera looks like, I guess. Okay, so apparently it almost weighs the same as my OnePlus 3. The Mi A2 is much more heavier than my OnePlus 3. So okay, so let's put the phone aside first. I'm gonna check what else we get from the box. Okay, as you can see, there's a cable here. Okay, so it's a USB Type-C cable, obviously, for the charger. And then, okay, so you get the charger. So okay, so the charger is 5V to 2A. So that means it doesn't come with fast charge out of the box. So pretty much you need to buy a separate charger that comes with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. Now let's get to the phone, the cool stuff. So this is the phone, as you can see. So I guess it's time to turn it on. Yeah, always open the sticker at the back and keep it somewhere nearby you, probably in the box, just in case. Okay, so I guess it's time to open this. It's been a while since I have a new phone. I think this is my third smartphone. Okay, so let's hear it. Oh my god. Oh, it feels nice. Okay, so I like it. So how about we turn this thing on? Ooh, Android 1. As you can see, there's a rounded corner on the edges. I don't know how you say it. Android 1. I like how they put like the rainbowish color at the one. Yeah, so this is the, I guess, the boot screen. Oh, I have a Xiaomi logo inside it. Great, now I can set it up. Oh yeah, here you can see there's only one port, there's no headphone jack, only the USB Type-C. I like the fact that they don't include a notch in this version. The Mi A2 Lite, it have a notch, kinda look dumb to be honest. Okay, so apparently there's a Mi service inside here. There's a user experience program, blah blah blah, all the nonsense. Let's just continue without agreeing to any one of these. Pretty interesting. Oh, I see. So they also include an app from Xiaomi. Oh, okay, so when I click the review additional apps, so apparently they also will install a Xiaomi remote controller app from the Play Store if I want to. There's an IR blaster. Yeah, this phone support IR blaster, so I can't wait to test it out. Getting the finishing touches. Okay, so we already booted up, and damn, that looks so nice. And here are the Xiaomi app, I guess. It doesn't come pre-installed. You had to download it. You have a choice if you want to download it or not. So yeah, damn, this look really nice. So yeah, as you can see, this is the phone. Then the home button, like the Pixel, I really like it. So this is how it looks like. Pretty much stock Android. So they are currently setting up my phone. I hope you can see it. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, they have an update for the August patch. Oh no, yeah. It comes with the latest Android version. That is the 8.1.0 Oreo security patch 5 June. Huh, interesting. So out of the box, there's already an update, which is the August 2018 security patch. And that's nice. I think this is pretty much like the stock Android, like on the Pixel, the settings. Pretty much everything is like stock Android. The screen is not bad, even though it's an IPS LCD. Pretty bright, to be honest. So this is how the screen looks like, both at maximum brightness right now. Yeah, I don't see any major difference between these two. One using AMOLED and the others is using the IPS LCD. And yeah, how about the night light? Oh, damn. Oh, so there's also a setting for the earphones, pulse, headphone, and audio effect, I guess. So yeah, you can select any one of these profile, and then probably you will change how the audio sounds like on your earphone. Depends on which earphone you are using. Pretty interesting. This is the camera. I wish it had used Google camera, the Gcam, but it uses its own camera. So if you press the power button twice, it will open your camera, I guess. So this is the video. Video supports Full HD 1080p, then 4K video, photo, portrait. Then we get square, panorama, manual. Yeah, thank God they give you manual mode. So it comes with, you get your HDR, auto. Oh yeah, how about the selfie? Funny enough, there's a beauty mode, which I think you can disable it. Yeah, you can disable the beauty mode, and you get HDR for selfie too. Why does it feel so smooth? Okay, so I think I wanna turn on the developer option. So let's see. So let's turn on the developer option by pressing full number, and use your device pattern. And there you go. I already unlocked the developer option, and then let's see the developer option. You can unlock the bootloader. Oh man! It supports sRGB. Oh, okay, interesting. So if you want sRGB, you can turn on the developer option. Oh, okay. So this all the Bluetooth option that it supports. It does support aptX HD. Very nice. Okay, so now we need to check the profile GPU rendering. So kinda smooth. So pretty much you get 160 FPS. So let's see if I actually need to do confirmation. Here goes. Super fast. Change that to 1. So let's check the Mi app. Oh, you actually can uninstall the Mi app. So yeah, don't worry. No, overall I like it. It doesn't have gestures though. Gestures like for the rear fingerprint scanner. I think I wish it has a gestures option for the rear fingerprint scanner, so that when you swipe down from the fingerprint scanner, it drop down the notification. And I think that's all. I have nothing much to say. Yeah, overall you get pretty much stock Android-ish phone, which I really like, because it's time to update all my apps. Oh, so this is the Mi remote. Ooh, interesting. I can add a remote. Let me try something. Oh, damn! Oh, that surprised me. Oh, damn! Oh my god! Damn! My first time trying out the IR blaster. Pretty nice. Whoa! Oh my god! I like it. Phone IR blaster works very well, so now I don't have to, you know, use my physical remote control. So I already have IR blaster phone. Huh. Okay, so the vibration on this phone is actually much more stronger than the OnePlus 3. Congratulations. So I guess that's all that I can talk about this phone. Yeah, let's try the fingerprint scanner. Pretty fast. Yeah, face unlock. I forgot about that. I think it's under smart lock. So it does have face unlock. So let's try the face unlock. Oh, so yeah, it does work. Does it support double tap to wake? Nope, sadly. Yeah. So let's check the camera. Is it fast enough? So I think there's an option for me to disable the watermark. Oh yeah, see, you get the option to disable the watermark. Thank god, I don't like the watermark. The autofocus on this smartphone is fast, I guess. Yup, very fast. I wouldn't say as fast as the Samsung Galaxy S9, but yeah, it does its job well. There's a delay when taking a picture for some reason. Yeah, there's a slight lag, but overall the picture quality is very nice. How much would I rate this phone? I think I don't know. If I'm not mistaken, it does support Quad-Core Quick Charge 3.0, but let's see. We'll then get my own USB Type-C Quad-Core Quick Charge 3.0 cable, and we're not gonna use the stock charger that comes from the box because it doesn't support Quad-Core Quick Charge 3.0, which kinda sucks. Charging rapidly. I guess that's Quick Charge 3.0. Yeah, I guess that's all. What's my opinion of this smartphone? I think it is really good. What I don't like about the smartphone is there's no headphone jack, but at least they give you an adapter. So yeah, it is using 3000 mAh battery. I think they should have added 4000. I don't know. Look at this camera bump, man. The camera bump is just look at the camera bump. Like, wow, that's much more deeper than my OnePlus 3 camera bump. Yeah, overall I like it. Feels solid, feel glossy. IPS LCD, yeah, it's pretty nice actually. Let me try. I mean, the black looks really black. Oh no, you can still see, but it's quite hard. See, it's actually pretty nice screen. What I say is much better than the AMOLED that's on my OnePlus 3. I don't think so, but I think it's almost the same like my OnePlus 3 screen. Yeah, and I think that's all I can say.
According to Wikipedia, Marques Brownlee, also known by his show name MKBHD, is an American YouTuber.
Now let's try putting it on the case that they give you. Let's try it. Yeah. Okay, so overall, what my first impression of this smartphone, the Xiaomi Mi A2. The Xiaomi Mi A2 feels really nice to hold with. Probably better to have a case on because it's slippery. The fingerprint scanner is quite fast actually, and then the camera is really nice. I don't know, I'm gonna review the camera later on. And then overall, it's a really nice smartphone, and you can only get this for 999 ringgit for the 64GB model. And yeah, so yes, the only downside of this smartphone is it only have a USB Type-C. It doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack. The camera bump and the battery is only 3010 mAh, which is, I guess, it's fine. I mean, it's using Snapdragon 660. I guess it is a battery efficient processor. Yeah, overall, I really like this smartphone, and I think I'm going to transfer from my OnePlus 3 to my new Xiaomi Mi A2, and I'm going to review it next week or probably someday, I don't know. So if you like my unboxing video, please like and subscribe if you want to check out my future content. Probably I'm gonna talk about more about tech stuff like smartphone, I don't know, earphone. Yeah, I think that's all you can say. So please comment if you want to ask me anything about the smartphone that I haven't talked about in this video. Give a like if you like it. I guess that's all for today. Bye.